Updating your legal name with your bank is an important process that ensures your financial records are accurate. Follow these steps to quickly update your legal name with Cooperative Bank. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Ensure these documents are official and clearly show your new legal name. Step 2. Visit the Cooperative Bank website. Go to the Cooperative Bank's official website. Look for the section related to customer service or account management, where you can find information on updating personal details. Step 3. Contact customer service. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in elite databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit your documents. Follow the instructions provided by customer service. This may involve submitting your supporting documents through email, an online form, or by visiting a local branch in person. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your documents, confirm with the bank that your name has been updated. You can do this by checking your online banking account or calling customer service again for verification. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Cooperative Bank. Make sure to keep a record of your communications and documents for future reference.